See by the girl now you're not gonna beg no partner. Well, let me tell you something. This is the commission of the bad man. I'm here to tell you say the superintendent and he's a dead man. Cause the girl in front of goat he done dog on. Adam. Listen, hey, boy. I don't have to give me back me gun. Cause I'm fucking with this me and the man I done. I don't have to give me back me gun. You know? Yeah, hear me? We will listen to DJ. Never. Listen, I don't have to give me back me gun. Cause some pussy will diss me and the war not done. I don't have to give me back me gun. If charge the innocent bird, I'm not touching on. I don't have to give me back me.